Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, everyone, in this fantastic morning, I'm gonna give a bit talking about knowledge. It, the title is Knowledge is the enemy for arrogant people. So, for those got a lot of knowledge or clever people, we should sharing the knowledge. If someone asks the question about the knowledge, we should answer the question. Otherwise, it can be smart as well. And with knowledge, we can arrogant. For example, yeah, I got a lot of knowledge. You all should obey to me like that. Something stuff like that. So we cannot be arrogant to knowledge because if Allah want to get back that knowledge, the knowledge just get back. And maybe Allah He want to give for those the stupid people the knowledge Allah just give to him because Allah is the most powerful in this universe. Even no one can defeat Allah. There is no people, even Dajjal, uh, the president like the hard one like that. So, such I say before, for the God knowledge, we cannot be arrogant because the Allah He can get back and Allah can give back the knowledge. And that's all for me. I end it by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.